About to make 20 grand in the next 60 days selling AI powered marketing services to local businesses. This is exactly what I would do. I'm gonna break down this business model from A to Z as quick as possible so you can start making money as quick as possible. Just for the love of God, please turn off TikTok. Please get in a quiet area. Please just grab your laptop, grab a coffee, and lock the fuck in. Before we dive into it, why are we going to do websites? Why are we going to sell ads? Why are we going to do marketing for local businesses? Well, if you guys do not know my story, I came from just trying so many different business models, failing on my face for years and years and years, trying to make money online, working numerous of full-time jobs, hating my life, sweating balls in a kitchen, working 40 hours plus every week to barely make any money. I was still paying rent and I was probably still in school at that time. And that is when I found the website and ad business model, right? So now, fast forward guys, late 2025, I built my full service marketing agency. I'm traveling the world full time, meeting new clients in different cities, different countries, new business everywhere guys, in person, online. Once you learn the skill of websites and ads, which is just the skills of sales and marketing, you can literally achieve your dream life in less than 6 months, guys. I kid you not, I travel the world, different city every single month, and all I need is a Wi-Fi connection. All I need is my camera and just my voice, and I can close deals, I can do marketing, I can talk to my team. And this is why I love this business model. It feels like a real business, and it's turning into a real business from building it ground up, guys. This is me before, right when I started my marketing agency, guys. So if I can do it, not knowing jack shit, being a complete lazy stoner, then so can you. You can achieve your dream life. You can finally have that first successful online business. Now, like I said, guys, I've tried multiple things to make money online. I would not recommend drop shipping. I would not recommend trying to sell Chinese products, trying to go viral on TikTok, organic drop shipping, paid drop shipping, whatever you want to call it. I wouldn't recommend drop shipping solely because you're just betting on going viral. It's not really a real business model, and nothing is really in your control. You can't reach out to clients. You can't meet new clients in person. You can't send DMs. You can't cold call. You can't run ads to get clients. If you want to just get lucky and go viral, just go to the casino. That's what I would recommend. And that kind of ties into my next point, guys. I wouldn't get into day trading if you're not financially free because, at least in my experience, when I was really trying to come up and make money and leave my job, trading just ended me up more broke because I was just trying to make a quick buck. I was trying to flip my account. I was trying to double my money. So it doesn't make sense to get into this right now if you're still trying to build a foundation for yourself. On this channel, I'll talk about websites, I'll talk about automation, talk about go high level. But what is this business model? What can I call this business model? And what does it mean? Like, I'm completely lost, Melch. Talk to me. So look, this business model is basically a digital marketing agency. All that means is we're doing marketing, right? But we have an agency, right? So that means we have a team behind us to where I'm not physically building websites. I'm not physically doing all the ads. I pass it to my team and I'm just the face, right? So this is you out here as the agency owner. Your job is just to close deals with local business owners, right? Just attract business owners, close deals. And as soon as you close a deal, pass it to your team, and your team gets started on the website. Your team gets started on the Facebook ads, on the social media, whatever it is you closed them on. This is basically the simplest way I can put it. You're just the face of the company, right? And you're closing deals with business owners, passing it to your team, and your team gets to work, right? And once your team's done, you give it to your client. Client's happy, you're happy, and boom, that's the start of a business relationship. So guys, I like to look at it as being a local business growth partner, right? We're gonna be helping local businesses like plumbers, roofing, dentists, spa, massage, maybe real estate agents, maybe custom home builders, detailers, contractors, gym owners, guys. The list goes on and on. And this is why I love having a digital marketing agency because, guys, it's digital marketing. It's AI. Like 2025, things are going up. And some of these business owners, guys, most of them are stuck in 2010, guys. These guys do not have good, nice, modern websites. These people do not know how to run ads, automations. So the opportunity is unlimited out there, guys. I work with a few people, a few different niches, but if one thing failed, guys, I could easily go to spas. I could easily go to real estate agents. I could easily go to dentists. Like, I'll just switch my niche up if all fails, because I know there's customers, guys, in every single niche, every single industry. They all need customers. They all need marketing. So this is the business owner, and this is you, right? The business owner needs customers, or the business owner needs projects, or pretty much the same thing. They're focused on the business. They can't do the marketing for them. And that's where you come in with the digital marketing. You work your magic, and then you get paid every single month. So let's just say we sold 5 websites in the first month, right? That can easily get us $2,500, or if you're doing $1,000 per website, that could easily bring in $5 grand. Now, Diego, how do I build these websites? Well, great. I'm going to show you exactly how. I use a platform called Go High Level. I am an affiliate with Go High Level, and I do offer a 14-day free trial if you use my link that is in the description. So it's more than enough time, guys. Start this free trial when you're ready to start outreaching, or when you want to start practicing, because you need to learn this skill, guys. Yes, you're going to have a team building the websites, but you still want to learn just at least one website, at least 2 website builds, so you get a grasp of it, and then you can start outsourcing. So guys, definitely start your free trial and Go High Level. Get started with the website builder. Get started with the complete marketing system, because like I said, guys, I don't just sell websites. Go High Level does have a website builder, but they have a lot of other things on the back end that you can learn. So definitely get started with Go High Level. I have a 2-week free trial in the description. And so all my affiliates who use my 2-week free trial, just another gift I like to give y'all, guys. I'm gonna give y'all 10 custom websites, automations, and funnels directly imported into your account. I have a list of over 30 templates that are in my library. So if you use my link, I'll pick 10 and I'll give you them, guys. So 10 websites, 10 automations, 10 different funnels. These websites are nice, they're modern, they're ready to go. All you need to do is change the pictures, change the logos, and you have a fully built out website. So guys, use the link in the description for my 14-day free trial. Go High Level literally made me rich. Go High Level literally changed my life. If you're not learning Go High Level in 2025 and you're trying to do marketing, you're gonna be fucking behind, straight up. So guys, let's just say you sold 5 websites either for $500 or $1,000. That's great, that's amazing. But don't forget, out of these 5 clients, you're also gonna add $500 and monthly reoccurring revenue, right? Because you have to host a website, you can make all their changes, you can update the pictures if they need anything, and you charge $99 per month. So within your first month, you added just $500 on reoccurring revenue. That means this is revenue that is coming in every month on autopilot. And guys, I've been running my marketing agency for almost a full year now, and I've had people from that first month of me starting paying me $99 every month, and it's already been a full year. They don't cancel on you, they don't cause any headaches. It's easy passive income. So look, great, you sold the websites, you got the monthly recurring, you closed the deal. Congratulations, brother. That's just the first step to get your foot in the door. Now we're gonna use our upselling skills and get all of these guys on $1,500 per month marketing packages, right? You're gonna run their ads, you're gonna do their Google ads, their Facebook ads, and you're gonna launch their campaigns to bring them more jobs, to bring them more projects. And guys, like I was saying, you do not want to get stuck in the web design pipe dream. You're not gonna scale past 10K per month only selling websites. I'm sorry to break it to you. I had to face that reality myself. I had to be like, holy fuck, I need to learn more. Because guys, you maybe make maybe with websites, you'll make $3 grand per month. Maybe you'll get to $5 grand per month. Like, no problem. I've done that myself. But guys, if you want to get past 10K, 15, 20K per month in your marketing agency, which is the point where I'm at, you cannot just offer web design, guys. You're going to get replaced by someone on Fiverr. You're going to get replaced by someone in Pakistan. But if you want to get to 10K per month within the next 2 months, you need to be doing WAM. You need to be doing websites, ads, automations, and just entire marketing packages. And this is why I preach WAM, guys. I don't want you to be a one-trick pony. I don't want you to just be another freelancer. I want you to learn the entire digital marketing spectrum so you can actually get past 15K per month, 20K per month. And this is a real fucking business that you can grow to $1 million corporation. So look, guys, 10K per month within 2 months is 100% achievable. You just need to dial in on selling a few websites. Then you need to launch ads, and then you need to set up automations, and then you can manage their Google as well. Like I said, if you're just doing the website alone, you're not going to get past 10K per month. You're going to be a one-trick pony, and you're not going to be as valuable to your clients, whether if you learned everything, guys, the websites, the ads, the automations, right? The Google listing, the rankings on Google Maps, the whole 9 yards. If you master this, guys, there's no doubt you can get to 10K per month within 2 months. So guys, how do you get paid with WAM? I'm about to show you the entire blueprint of getting to 10K per month with websites, ads, automations, and marketing. So guys, like I said, it starts off with just the website. Now, I've sold websites for $1,000. I've sold websites for $500, right? So maybe you collect $500 up front and then $500 when the job's done, or 250 up front, and then 250 when the job is done, right? If you're a beginner, you're not that confident, you can start off selling websites for $500. But if you're really confident that your client really likes you, they're a high ticket business, right? Then you can easily sell the website for $1,000 and build them a really, really nice website. So we have the website set up for you guys, but like I said, you have the monthly website fee that you're collecting every single month. So you can either charge $47 a month or $99 a month, right? Just depends on the client, depends on your complete offer. I have clients on both $47 and $99. Some of them are just less maintenance than others. Some of them I get a bit more features for them. So it's up to you guys, and I can kind of help you build your offer on a separate video or even in my community. But build your offer, guys. You can easily get $99 per month on reoccurring, guys. I'm kid you not. Like, I'll just wake up some days, like, I have like $300 chilling in my Stripe. I just have another 200. I just have like another 100. Like, what the fuck? Like, shit just adds up over time, right? And this is just cash flow hitting your account. Good to reinvest back into the business, reinvest into marketing, reinvest into your ads, reinvest into your employees, whatever it is. You can stack these, guys, and this helps keep the business alive and helps put more cash into your pocket. And guys, that is just the website. So let's dive into the paid ads now, guys. So look, with the paid ads, you can charge a setup fee and you can do a monthly retainer. That's exactly what I do. Sometimes I hit a $3.5 thousand setup fee. You can do 4.5 thousand, whatever it is, just depending on the client, how much money they have. But I've gotten away, guys, getting 3.5K up front and then $1,500 per month for the remaining couple months of that marketing package. Or if you guys just want to do like a $1,500 base retainer, do that for 3 months. Boom, that's 4.5K. Up to you guys, but you can definitely get a setup fee once you're more established and once you have more confidence on these calls, on these sales calls, and then get them on a nice $1,500 retainer, guys. And guys, when these $1,500 retainers hit my account, it's just like, bro, I used to make that in 3 weeks working on my old job, and that just hit my account right now, just chilling, right? It's crazy. Once you have multiple clients on the paid ad management, that's when you really start to scale, and that's when, you know, you're actually chilling. You can go out, you can live the nice life, you can get that new car, you can live in a nicer apartment, you can invest into your business. This is where the real money is at, guys. Don't get me wrong, with websites and kind of with what I teach and preach, you can definitely get to your first $5,000 per month. But guys, to get to that next level, the paid ad management is crucial. And guys, I did cover a lot of things in this training. And guys, I know I covered a lot of things in this free YouTube video. If you want to learn a little bit more about the WAAS business model, how I started it, and how I'm scaling past 20K per month, how I'm helping other people scale past 20K per month, then there's a free training in the link in the description, guys. Like I said, the WAAS business model allowed me to quit my full-time jobs. I haven't worked, guys, in almost a full year. I had quit all my jobs and now just travel the world full-time, working on my agency, working with clients, meeting new business owners, going to different cities, going to different countries, having good time with my family as well. That was a big thing for me. And just being happy with myself, guys. I finally have a nice, profitable business that I'm proud of, that I can call mine, and I'm actually helping other people. So I have a free training in the link in description if you want to get started with WAAS, kind of more of an in-depth breakdown that you can check out if you would like. And that's going to wrap up today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Coach Melchor. I have a lot of free sauce, a lot of free game on there. But like I said, for those who are interested in getting started, you have that 2-week free trial to go high level, and then you have that free WAAS training in the description for you to get started today to potentially start your first successful online business. Without further ado, guys, God bless, and I'll see y'all on the next video.